Ujjivan Small Finance Bank is up almost close to 10%. Now it's hovering on 8.8% when I'm recording this video on 31st of July 2023. As you can see, we have been discussing about this stock for quite some time in my channel on my TradingView wall. And you can see the last shot where I've given all the trading plan for this particular stock per se. It is actually moving in the right direction. Now, a lot of my students ask me that, hey, I have taken a position, can I jump in now? And I request not to buy in when there's a euphoria in the market and always let the stock cool down. And one way to do that is simply go to TradingView and add an alert of the price so that let it follow. And now I put an alert of 47.25 and save it. Now I can go and do my job because I will get alerted when the stock reaches or retraces back to that level where I think is the right level. I have to build my position further. It's all about peaceful weekend investing, averaging up your position and riding the entire trend. As you can see, the stock has given some amazing Q1 results, and that's why Street is excited about it. Till the next video, bye-bye.